Ika.
Thank you for your speech. Now we will have candidate. Please, speaker from team opposition, you have 7 minutes to present your case. Your time start now.
As the opposing team, I oppose the motions weather change because people do get sick easily. There are several reasons why I am against the motions. First, the statement made by the Minister of Health is based on H.L. Blank's theory, which states that the degree of health is determined by 40% environmental factors. Environmental factors are closely related to our health. 20% of all deaths are caused by completely preventable environmental health problems. Even the air we breathe now can affect our health depending on the level of pollution in context. There are many more environmental factors that can affect our health. First, dangerous chemicals. According to the World Health Organization, more than 1.6 million deaths in 2019 were caused by exposure to certain chemicals. Some examples of dangerous chemicals in the environment are heavy metals and toxins that enter the water supply and dangerous pesticides that enter the food supply chains. Second, air pollution. According to World Health Organization, the effect of air pollution on humans are very significant, namely 29% of all global deaths from lung disease to 24% of all global deaths due to stroke. Third, 17% of all global deaths and illness due to acute lower respiratory tract infections. Although some of the most dangerous and most available everywhere, example of air pollution come from vehicle exhaust and pollution by products from industrial process. However, there are also many natural air pollutants that can cause health problems. For example, pollen and fungal spores are often associated with asthma and allergies. Third, poor water quality. Very well health report that worldwide more than 780 million people don't have access to clean drinking water. And what is even more surprising, around a third of the world's population doesn't have access to proper sanitation service such as clean bathrooms, which means that every day more than 2,200 children die from disease caused by poor water quality. Therefore, changing weather is influenced by unstable environmental conditions. So, the weather is not directly because people become sick, but there is a role of the environment that can influence weather change. Human and other living organisms can adapt to the climate. Climate adaptations refers to the adaptations of an organism triggered by the variations of abiotic polyfactor which determines a certain climate. Annual average, seasonal variations, and daily patterns of abiotic factors are climate characteristics to which organisms can adapt. Researchers hypothesize that modern humans are more evolutionarily capable of living in various climates. This is supported by the variability selections hypothesis proposed by Richard Fox, which states that human adaptability originates from long-term environmental change. The human body is always working to maintain homeostasis. One form of homeostasis is thermoregulation. Body temperature varies in each individual, but the average internal temperature is 37 degrees. However, according to research, sufficient stress from extreme external temperature can cause injury or death if it exceeds the body's ability to thermoregulate. This indicates that weather changes don't directly affect human thermoregulations process, but rather the shock caused by extreme external temperatures that can affect thermoregulations.